In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to use material editor, how we manage to use our material. This tells us it becomes full. No, it doesn't, because if we use the resource collector, okay, I must show you once again. Utilities more, resource collector, and once again click resource collector. This is for saving our materials, because seeing materials, you can add materials as much as you want. They don't disappear. This is the proof. I got my all projects and my scene materials are being saved to this folder. What you do, because sometimes VDS Max tells us materials are missing. Come on, VDS Max, little bit quicker. Be quicker. Wait, because my scene is quite large, is quite complex. Oh no, it got stuck. Oh yes, finally. It's quite large, I got plenty of the objects. Now, if we go to scene material, if you want to use more material slots, use this option, reset material slots. This does not delete your materials. Why? I will explain why. If you go material, get material, your scene materials will be still here. This is what you got. They don't disappear. You got all of them. Because I was creating my custom, I was saving my material's name. That's why I know these are my materials. They don't disappear. They will be still available if you want to reuse them. What you can use? You can use picker. Pick material from object. And you got... oh, what's that? Oh no, multi-sub object. No, this is not what I wanted. I never used the multi-sub object. Pick material from object. Okay, this quite interesting option actually. Okay, you see, you can still use it. This is endless. Material editor does not finish. You can use as much materials as you want. They don't finish, because if you save your old texture to one folder and you reopen your project, and you will be able to use the same materials. Because I also have customize configure user paths. This is folder where I saved project. This is folder for external files. My folder of the texture. Configure user paths. To speed up saving process, I disabled auto backup and backup on save, because my VDS Max does not stop working, does not become slow. Okay, or I can also preview. I have to save this project. I'm hoping this very detailed video helped you to organize materials in the scene. I never use the clean multi-material. I didn't use this condensed material editor slots. I have to read more about this. And I didn't use this. I only use reset material editor slots.